Hello, dear audience. A good time to all of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabbir. Today I'm going to share with you about my best friend. So my best friend name is Ifti. I met him at Magura Polytechnic Institute. Actually, he was my teammate for my class project. He is very supportive and very talented. He love programming and business. I also love programming and business. That's why we make friend each other. So in my opinion, every person should have one or two best friend, because a best friend can help you when you face hard time, and you can share with everything with your best friend. So that's why I feel every person should have one or two best friend. So this is a little bit about my best friend. So thank you for your patience.